Hello, everybody. My name is Kevira, and on this occasion, I'm going to present my written report of scientific articles, my map about, yep, as you can see on the screen right now, biotechnology and agriculture. So, um, what is actually a biotechnology? So, biotechnology is a combination of two words, namely biology and technology. So we can define it uh, as applied science and technology that uses living things to produce goods or services that can be used by humans. Biotechnology is very useful in many fields, one of which is agriculture. Agricultural biotechnology focuses on the development of genetically engineered crops to improve crop yield, quality, and also disease resistance. Genetic modification of plants has been used to develop plants that are resistant to pests, drought and extreme temperatures. Biotechnology has also made it possible to develop crops that have higher nutritional value and longer shelf lives. Okay, so anyway, for this topic, I have searched three articles, which are related to this biotechnology. So also, there are three mind maps I've made occurred according to each article that I have searched previously. Okay, so let's get started. So the first article, this is the title of the first article, Role of Biotechnology in Creating Sustainable Agriculture. And here's the first mind map for the first article. So for this mind map, I've made four um, main points. They are definition, purpose, things which need to be sustainable, and application of biotechnology for sustainable agriculture. The first one, definition. Use multidisciplinary approaches that combine biology, engineering, chemistry, economics, and community development to meet society's food and fiber demands with long-term solutions for current and future generations. Now for the purpose. And there are four sub-points for this purpose. First one, towards a healthy environment and economic profitability with social and economic equality and to develop climate resilient agriculture. Next, enhance environmental quality by judicial use of natural resources. Next one, make the most efficient use of on-farm resources by integrating regenerative approaches. Last one, improve farm economics and enhance the quality of life for farmers and society as a whole. Okay, next point, things which need to be sustainable. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sub-points for this point. First one, economic sustainability, environmentally safe and sound, societal values, good for families and communities, and food and fiber security. Okay, last point, application of biotechnology for sustainable agriculture. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sub-points. Increase farming profitability by improving crop yields, nutrient use efficiency, biotic and abiotic stress resistance, and special for this sub-point, I've made like another sub-point or yeah, kind of like that for this sub-point. So another sub-point for sub-point, yeah, like that. There are three: insect resistance, virus resistance, and abiotic stress tolerance. Okay, next, the first subpoint, herbicide resistance and biofortification. Okay, so for the previous article and mind map I've discovered and made four important four important points, and they are object, background, theories, and results. So therefore, okay, the first one, object. To enhance agriculture through sustainable practices and biotechnology to improve crop productivity, quality, and resilience while minimizing environmental impact and ensuring long-term sustainability food production. Sorry. Now, next point, background. The background addresses challenges in agriculture like climate change and soil degradation, emphasizing biotechnology's role in enhancing crop yield, quality, and stress resistance for food security and environmental Sustainability. Sorry. Okay. The third point, theories. Related to sustainable agriculture, agroecology, ecosystem services, economic evaluation of sustainability, indicators of security, and the challenges of feeding a growing population sustainably. Last point, the results. Genetic engineering was found to effectively improve crop yield and sustainability in agriculture. The study also emphasized the potential of biotechnology to enhance food security and environmental conservation in the face of growing population and changing climate. Okay, now let's move to the next article, second article. Now this is the title of the second article, Application of the Biotechnology in Agriculture. Now, here is the second mind map for the second article. Now, for this mind map, I've made four main points. There are applications, definition, applications, biotechnological techniques, and benefits. First one, definition. The area of agricultural science related to use of experimental techniques and methods contain tissue culture, vaccines, molecular markers, genetic engineering, and molecular diagnostics for the modification of living organisms. The applications, there are 11 subpoints for these applications. There are herbicide tolerance, disease resistance, temperature tolerance, quality traits, biofertilizer technologies, molecular breeding, disease diagnostics and vaccines, biofuels, macro propagation, transgenic food, and improvement in floriculture. Now, next point, biotechnological techniques. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 subpoints. There are genetic engineering, marker option, plant tissue culture, biofertilizer technology, diagnosis of plant and livestock disease, artificial fertilization technology, and last one, vaccine production. And now the last point, benefits, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sub points. Okay, they are increase the crop yield, reduce the crop sensitivity to environmental stresses, increase nutritional values of food crops, reduce needs for pesticides, fertilizers, and other agrochemicals, and production of vaccines. Now, same like the previous mind map and article, also I've made 4 important points. Still the same points. There are object, background, theories, and results. Now, about the object. To enhance crop productivity, sustainability, and food security through the application of biotechnological techniques in agriculture. The second one, the background. provides information on the historical development of agriculture, the challenges faced by farmers, and the evolution of biotechnology as a solution to enhance crop production, resist pests and diseases, and improve environmental sustainability in agriculture. The third one, theories. Related to agricultural biotechnology, genetic engineering, molecular breeding, and the application of biotechnological techniques in crop improvement and sustainable agriculture practices. The last point, the results. Biotechnological methods like genetic engineering and marker selection improve crop traits such as disease resistance and temperature tolerance. This highlights the vital role of biotechnology in enhancing crop yield and sustainability in agriculture. Okay, now the third article, which is the last article. And here is the title, Biosurfactants Potential and Eco-Friendly Material for Sustainable Agriculture and Environmental Safety, a review. Now, the third mind map for and the last mind map for the last uh, article. Now, there are three main points for this mind map about biosurfactants, classification of biosurfactants, and applications of biotechnology in food and agriculture. Okay, start about biosurfactants. Biosurfactants are produced by various microorganisms that have several distinct properties compared to other synthetic surfactants, including mild production conditions, multifunctionality, higher biodegradability, and lower toxicity of living cells synthesis of active compounds. Widely used in the food industry as food formulation ingredients and anti-adhesive agents as emulsifiers, breeding agents, foaming agents, and detergents that find application in various fields such as agriculture, industrial sectors, and environmental recreation. Now for the objectives, there are 6 points. Biosurfactants have emerged as potential molecules for drug delivery vehicles, okay. Medicinal applications, agricultural applications, and environmental safety, all of which provide economically appealing and scientifically novel applications. The current study discusses biosurfactants and their production by bacteria with an emphasis on their involvement in oil cleanup. To explore novel biosurfactants, those are commonly used for soil remediation to identify the notable biomolecules that potentially replace harsh surfactants now employed in pesticide manufacturing. Next, to determining the significance of environmental biosurfactants in plant growth, promotion, and other agricultural uses requires detailed investigation. Emphasize the use of biosurfactants as eco-friendly and alternatives to synthetic surfactants. Now, the next point, classification of biosurfactants. The first one, glycolipid, lipoproteins, and lipopeptides, and there are 2 types, rhamnolipid and saccharides. Next, fatty acids, phospholipids, and neutrolipids, and another point for the subpoint, there is surfactant. Now, polymeric biosurfactants, and there are 3 types, emulsin, liposin, and monoprotein. And last, particulate biosurfactants. Now, the last point, applications of biotechnology input and agriculture, biosurfactants in agriculture and agrochemicals, biosurfactants mediated plant growth in soils, food and agricultural waste as substrates, substrates for biosurfactant production, environment and bioremediation, industries, and pharmaceuticals. Now, same like before, they are for objects and still the same objects like before. Sorry, not objects. This there are 4 points, 4 important points, and still the same uh points like before. Their object, background, theories, and results. Now, first the object. To explore the diverse applications of biosurfactants, partic particularly in drug delivery, agriculture, and environmental safety, study focuses on the production of biosurfactants by bacteria, their role in soil remediation, and their potential to replace harsh surfactants in pesticide manufacturing. Additionally, the significance of biosurfactants in plant growth, promotion, and their eco-friendly nature as alternatives to synthetic surfactants are emphasized. Next point, the background. The urgent need for creative, efficient, and cost-effective natural products due to climate change and increasing world population. Biosurfactants produced by microorganisms offer advantages over synthetic surfactants such as mild production conditions, biodegradability, and lower toxicity. The third point, the theories. Related to the psychochemical properties of biosurfactants, microbial biosurfactants diversity and classification, surfactant structures at interfaces and in solution, adaptation of microbial strains to compounds, and the role of critical methylation concentration in efficacy and toxicity of supramolecular polymers. Now, the last point, the results. The significance of biosurfactants in various applications such as drug delivery, agriculture, and environmental safety. The study emphasized the potential of biosurfactants produced by bacteria in soil remediation, their role in replacing harsh surfactants in pesticide manufacturing, and their positive impact on plant growth promotion. Additionally, the eco-friendly nature of biosurfactants as alternatives to synthetic surfactants was underscored, showcasing their diverse applications and benefits. Okay, now we're done talking about the mind map. Now, for the conclusions. So, as I've said before, there are 3 mind maps. There are 3 articles. So, for each article or each mind map, I've made 3 conclusions. Yeah. So, the first conclusion 1 for the first article. Okay. Conclusion 1. Biotechnology offers promising solutions for sustainable agriculture by improving crop productivity, reducing environmental harm, and ensuring food security. Integrating biotechnological innovations with traditional practices can create a resilient and eco-friendly agricultural system for future needs. Now, next conclusion for the second article or mind map. Conclusion 2. Biotechnology in agriculture revolutionizes farming practices by enhancing crop resilience, improving yield, and promoting sustainable food production. The research presented emphasizes the vital role of biotechnological advancements in shaping a more productive and environmentally friendly agricultural sector. Now, the last conclusion for the third, which is the last one or article. Conclusion 3. The article highlights the significant potential of biosurfactants in various industries, emphasizing their role in environmental biotechnology, agriculture, and heavy metal bioremediation. Further research and development in this field could lead to innovative and sustainable solutions for a range of applications. Okay, That's all from me, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention. I apologize if there were any mistakes in my words or if my explanation uh, was not understandable. I've tried the hardest I could. Once again, that's all from me. Thank you so much. Goodbye.